Hey everyone, welcome to another Canvas tips and tricks instructional video. Today we're going to cover how to review and update your course end date and time. So it's really important that you know how to check these and how to update them if necessary, because sometimes our courses close a little bit earlier than we expected based on the data that comes from pause. So let's walk through this. Here I am in my Canvas course. So the way that I check my end date and time is by going to my course settings. So you'll see settings over here in the left menu. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see there's the term and there's a start date and an end date. It should look something like this. If you would like to override the standard term end date, which is going to be in line with the academic calendar, then you can give a few more days here. So whatever date you would like, let's say Sunday the 31st, 12 a.m., that's fine. And you'll want to check mark this icon right here. This checkbox is what overrides the standard term end date. So make sure that you do it here and then click the update course details icon at the bottom to save. And the next thing you'll need to double check is your section end date and time. So we'll click on the sections tab up here at the top, then click your blue section number and look to see if you have additional dates here. If you don't have another date here, you're fine. If you do have another date here, like this one, then you'll need to click on Edit Section, remove that date, uncheck this box, and click Update Section. Once you do this, you may need to refresh your page because it looks like it didn't save, but it did. You may need to refresh your page, and now it's refreshed. You can remove the beginning date and the end date. That's probably a better practice. So let's go ahead and remove that as well and update our section, and we'll refresh the page. This is what it should look like, this page right here. Now we know in our course settings, back in our course details, that this is the only date we need to worry about. And this checkbox ensures that this end date will prevail over the standard term setting, so over the academic calendar. This is the big one that you want to worry about. Make sure that you remove any section dates if they are present. Usually you won't have those unless you have some kind of short-term or accelerated course. So make sure you double check those if you have alternate dates to begin with. Update the course details. And now you're good to go. For more guides and tutorials, go to hartnell.edu/pdc. Thanks for watching.